Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Hocus Pocus cookie cake. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First, you need some kind of cookie dough for the bottom. You could use sugar cookies, but I am using the chocolate chip because that's all they had. They didn't have the sugar cookie at my store. And then any of the Pillsbury shaped cookies that you like. There's pumpkins, there's bats, there's ghosts, but I am doing the little kitties because I thought that'd be cute. It's like a Hocus Pocus vibe. Then you need some kind of frosting. I'm using white and I'm going to tint it purple, so I have purple there for Hocus Pocus. And then I am also going to add sprinkles to mine. This is just a hodgepodge of my sprinkles. It's like gold and yellow and green and orange, and there's some eyeballs in there. I thought that would also give it a little Hocus Pocus feel. Let's preheat our oven to 350 and spray a springform pan generously with cooking spray. Next, you want to just spread out your cookie dough at the bottom. So if you're using sugar cookie or chocolate chip, whatever it was, just go ahead and spread it out to on the bottom of your pan like this, just using your fingers. Next, I added some of my spooky sprinkles, and then I just put my other sugar cookies on top, and I kind of pressed them down a little bit. You don't want to go too crazy, but I just wanted them to be kind of in there. And now we're going to get this into our preheated oven at 350 degrees. I just removed my cookie cake from the oven, and now we are going to let it cool completely before we decorate it. After my cake cooled down, I removed the outer ring, and then I just put some of my frosting into a container and dyed it purple. I didn't even probably use half of it. Then I put it into a Ziploc bag, cut the tip off, and just piped it all along the edges. I added some more sprinkles for fun, and I think it turned out so cute. I cannot wait to see what Taste Tester thinks. I cut a piece here for Taste Tester. Let's see what he thinks. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Dang it, Fernando, that's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't really subscribe.